Did you know that beavers never have to worry about swimmer's ear? That's right, beavers have valves in their ears, as well as their nose, that close while they're underwater, which is important because they are able to remain submerged for upwards of 15 minutes. Like all mammals, beavers have a protein called myoglobin in their muscles. This stores oxygen. However, the amount of myoglobin is considerably more than other terrestrial mammals of their size, and instead it is closer to that of other diving mammals such as whales and seals. With large, webbed hind feet and a flat, rudder-like tail, beavers glide swiftly and effortlessly through the water, being able to swim up to 10 kilometers per hour. However, once on land, beavers waddle awkwardly, seemingly dragging themselves from place to place, with the occasional energetic sprint. The beaver's notorious orange incisors are orange because of an iron-rich protective layer of enamel. However, a tooth's softer bony tissue, the dentine, wears down much faster than enamel, resulting in some pretty serious uneven wear that gives a beaver's incisors their perfect chisel-like shape. Having their incisors protrude beyond the front of their lips may look quite cumbersome, but it's perfectly functional and allows them to chew wood while underwater, and avoiding a mouthful of cold water. Also consider that a beaver's teeth never stop growing, and they rely extensively on daily munching and gnawing to keep them trimmed. Beavers are North America's largest rodent, and they're herbivores, feeding upon leaves, woody stems, and aquatic plants, with some of their favorite snacks being willow, aspen, birch, poplar, and sometimes maple, all of which are conveniently fantastic building materials for lodges and dams. During frigid winter months, beavers will stash branches below the water's surface in relatively close proximity to their lodges. These hidden branches are kept fresh and have their nutrients preserved by the cold water, and most importantly, provide a vital food source during the winter months when beavers spend most of their time inside their lodge. Built from mud, rocks, grass, and plenty of branches, a beaver dam has a monumental impact on the surrounding ecosystem by creating wetland habitat for other species, increasing biodiversity by upwards of 50%, reducing the risk of flooding, storing valuable water during periods of drought, and reducing soil erosion and retaining sediment, which in turn absorbs and filters contaminants like heavy metals, pesticides, and fertilizer, making a significant improvement to downstream water quality. Beavers communicate with one another using vocalizations, posturing, scents, and one of their most iconic and important, the tail slap. This loud and unmistakable alarm signals other beavers to hide and may potentially scare away predators.